Okay, cut it off and start her up. And cut it off and start it up. This is a boat that had a starter problem, and customer changed the starter and broke that off. And then after that was done, or in the process of that, he hooked the battery up backwards and blew the fusible link. And he also has a small complaint that he's losing transmission fluid, a pint every month, and the bottom of the boat's dry, so it's not going in the boat. And about the other thing, that the only other way it could do it is intercooler, but if it was the intercooler, it'd be dumping it into the exhaust water, cooling water, and the water coming out of his boat is plain as it could be. You don't see any sheen of oil or anything, so really don't know where it's going.